So the Hype Chamber that is used at RLCS also has a public sample project that you can download from the Epic Store. There are different tutorials on the internet on how you can change to something that you want and using your own broadcast. This tutorial is only showing how you can render a video file out of the project. So now we have the project open. You can see the different instructions on the sides. Make sure to read up on them if you decide to use it. So if we want to make a render of one of the preset animation, we're going to search for EUW. So then we're going to right click the EUW version utility. We run editor utility widgets, and here we can set the different variables for rendering out the different animations. So what we want to do for this one, I just want a simple bump team victory, and that is using team A list, and here you can select the team. So if you have added teams in the correct way, you will see them here. So let's select MFT, and the next step is the render preset. We have 4 that come with the actual project. For now, let's just do the 444 preset. If you want to change anything in this preset, you can change the codec, the different Apple ProRes, and you can change the folder where it needs to render here in the output. For now, we're just going to leave it at default. And the only thing we now have to do is press start render. So now everything is rendered. You get an error. Normally it doesn't really matter. So let's check if it's actually rendered correctly. So yeah, here we have the file. It already has the team name in it for MFT, and here you can see that it's rendered correctly. And then probably you're not going to use ProRes in a broadcast, but I'm sure you know how to convert them to MP4 or any format that you need. So yeah, that was a very short tutorial on how to render out something from the Hypechainer broadcast sample that is on the Epic Unreal Marketplace.